Ebusiafo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. I must say we edit the settings na season yes sir my bafi. That's we be able to yeah the NPP accept pano ebeko na kosa sema NDC for de no so no ebeka kire mu enti na settings na season no na yenko asem no so Ebusiafo nipa ya dia osa ye yes sir me de pa say obi ofri zabzugu ni etime ebie na no praise Akufo-Addo yeah me de because who say na Akufo-Addo I always say nipa no Akufo-Addo no say yes steady no yeah na ebe mi yapa say papa we on the memoir. I want to know why he made some decisions, why he forgave some people, why he took development to the length and breadth of this nation. I want to know that. Yeah, I want to know. Because Akufo-Addo is the only leader in our history, no? While making sure, say, the length and breadth of this nation, voter for can seek development, can see development. OT4 can see development. Just kind of Eastern 4 can see development. Ashanti, Central, Western North. I have a region. Bunu East. Nina, Savannah, Northern region. Nina, he left his footprint everywhere. Akufo-Addo no. And then Mahama Krum for crying and praise Akufo-Addo. Yeah. Mahama Krum for ni Krum, if you're free. Omu and the praise Akufo-Addo. It should tell you something. It should tell you, say, Akufo-Addo ni Dr. Mamudu Bawumia omu ambeda juma no so, they worked. They indeed worked. And omujuma amaye no, it will survive generations. Yeah. Mudi yen kone koti because ebi America no fi say me na America. Na me tin sem bi say yeah. It makes me emotional. Yeah. It makes me emotional because ni Akufo-Addo aye pa na Ghana for and to am about me. Sometimes, just sometimes. But yeah, it is well. It is well. Let's go and listen to the testimony. But before the Ebusiafo for studio ni ebe 15,000 to go. Baby, straight. Nothing is too hard for God. Say the way you have been supported. Yeah. It is so it means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. Me can Adamo. Say. Now let's go and listen.
I'm sure what you're doing, and I'm sure we'll be all live. So. Wakasa.
Hey, mami,
Ghana semna nkasano. You see, neka ya papa. You see the kind of hypocrisy and the kind of hatred that Ghana for edifacing NPP is so worrisome. Se Ghana, the 60 years NPP are ruling Ghana now. There are a lot of things NPP as a political party no omaye ediama Ghana as a country.
The maestro agree to you.
The kind of impact NPP enya ewo ye sebia hia for ye so ani bi for mobrowa for ye so no. Nanka NPP nkanyo o mase dani. Enka enye the kind of appreciation was NPP enya free Ghana for honi, especially yenuma ye free the deprived community. ya enke bia anka anye policy bia enke bia ba bia yegyina sisi ano nka ye nan po entimi nnuru ho. But what do we see? All because the NDC have succeeded in inciting the deprived communities against the party and they have succeeded in going behind like some minor ethnic groups and also some minor tribes are rising against the NPP. They are sure said the NPP belongs to a particular group of people. And a vote for those particular group of people, no, a vote for that political party, no, is an indirect vote for those particular group of people. And at this time, no, a lot of people are speaking against NPP. They are speaking out of hatred for some group of people or are taking over the NPP. But that is not the case. Me not na me basal ni.
Okay.
Ye freeze up zugu. Yansha Northern region at large. Party power ben to me ben. Ena nordness yendi bi Ghana. To me ben position ben pana nordness yendi bi Ghana. But go to the north. The northern region. Are we progressing or we are retrogressing? Now so yet, ye kasa near the yensa, ye no ma ye kuro munya no near the yensa chire obi fie kwan say. And I will be more to about for say. So sometimes I don't blame the NDC as a political party. I don't blame them. They know what the Ghanaians want to hear. They know what we want to see. And that is exactly what they are doing. Amunim de yepe si yete. Enunti na ne de ekosu nyina eko. Na keba ne saying as a political party ya to abama. Se brabe run the affairs of a country. You will not allow room for criticism. Which serious country? Even America, they open their doors for criticism. America, demonstration. Are they killing them?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, your former president Akufo-Addo and Apple so muye demonstration na ho do ma bi kra to nyom se kum na na adomaye. Bet yankochi obi.
Yana ejimi.
Ti said
Yana ejimi dia.
Ye go twa nkofo ma etutu nkofo ani no. So mi bisa o, enti wo ye NDC ni, na se wo hu de ekoso ya. Abrekura teacher ni why adwuma how many months are yentua awoka? Abrekura wo immigration how many months are unya rent allowance? Na de ekoso na wo budget so a. Is either you are a hypocrite, you are out of your sense, or you are a bootlick and say a single fan said the honorable 50 kwete kan. Because most in another na one de wire ponsam and an aban na mamu nkoyi. And our dollar could do 14. Meanwhile, this same government no to meet you adwuma for ka ehwe training college for e mo mo to mo feed o mo 3 times a day na ye feed o mo one time daily.
Yo.
How many months are they owing allowances? And then you say we should not talk about this? Say we nebe kan na machino. We nebe kan na machino. We nebe kan na machino. I don't blame them. I blame some of the Ghanaians and especially some of the NPP members they were bitter in 2024. Mo yo imagine so mo nkonko to aba. Dia me kan nyina no me nya ban adwuma. Me nya ban adwuma o. Me nya ban adwuma. Me wo private sector.
Yo.
Politicians me nana bala onabo bala do manu be DMP 8 years. Me nana bala do manu o ma miska krada. That is not why I love NPP. I love NPP because through their policies, a here former brower 40 say ya no yetimi ko suku ni esikafo etena classroom ba kusua ade. Yetimi ko hospital enjoy healthcare.
Boys, answer the time now so. Let me send a question.
Feel free bisabaku.
Okay.
And hope.
Papa.
And freedom of speech. That means you can't say my yeni mana.
Hey, the boys were you pass
Voice. The voice is also why quick
O level. O level
here.
O level was Nanado again. Mukasi Nanado
hope.
again. Was he again? Was
Hope
Dr.
that's
Elijah
why.
Mahmoud Baumia Hoptel? Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Baumia dia.
Don't
Don't be stupid. Come on.
Me that's Wakasa. Yo, I think the next person there. I've missed it. Not AY was here. She dropped. Yo, Martin. Not AY was and I'll drop here. Now AY also
The next person very me.
when you experience that
No,
crime,
The next person, yeah.
Say A1 kasa ya me na
The next person, yeah.
oh, that means
Oh,
not
Sisi
say no buy, Pacho. Pacho, not say no buy. AY, Pacho, yachi chairman Abronye. Now you have been a victim of this before, and you are a legend in this one. Let's hear you. I think from that then I think it shall be what a MasterCard. Hey, what you saying,
Nyame adom also
Charlie? As you can see,
you answer na make asano because election until me mo posting me kakra why
no problem.
posting me fry ma me kakra
I'm fan sending me. What you saying? Can I post it?
but me the best no
No problem.
asamo sha mo sha bronye sisi ano call be free almost penny for her baba penny for MDC penny for almost there almost things be a mo count almost from my birth
From
my
above.
birth say yes say almost enya de on be believe kakra na musu kolaba enti we de abronye de be bompa ma no senya me be ma no mo agyae no basa abronye wanye bo bia wo abronye no wanye bo ne bia yes
Uti. Some time ago, I sent me by say, "Una we Ghana jollof," and I got you. Yes, sir.
I sana mo kai ba anye sana tie
Good. Now, when you were going through the process, how was it like? We want to know because to catch a bronye said, "Wakasa etia judge, circuit court judge." Meanwhile, Kevin Taylor spoke against a high court judge who sits as an additional court of appeals judge, right? But he had presidential treatment, and they knew you were not Ghana jollof. Now, but they still caught you. How was it like?
okay they ube full that moment ne say me umuchi me na me say me nye guilty nye me na me ye Ghana jollof na tedede na mo kan me nim twe nsi me kodu honum na ye me say omu like treat me bad me I feel bad.
Okay.
First na me feel bad pa na ma adwuni na aye basabas na ma adwuni ne bone abehye mu ma na adwuni fufuro na era metim say ebia meyese but like I did share me so na me hu say no we crap no I didn't know more ye me no ebia omu like omu told me the whole world abehu me.
Okay.
Because enye me na me Ghana jollof me
basa. They didn't.
For me.
Okay.
Omu nye me basa.
Right.
For me, omu nye me basa. Because me could do and one say me ye free by my office na ko report here hu. And the be call headquarters one no. Wo be twitwa picture ni na no. Na me kra me sere. Me na me nse bibi ase. Enti omu di ko teshi for so nya do mo be gi enti nkofo bebre media for bebre da ha omu ambefa omu akokos omu wa ha 6 months 3 months enti nya na mo ba be gi no. Yes.
Wait. O say omudi mu ko teshi no.
Yes.
Teshi for so omu ndemo.
Yes, because
on what media for bebre agbegu
amu for amu court enti enya ade amu bechi e wa ha nti umu fa ye nko bebi fufuro ena amu di ye ko nu ngwa
na umu pansem omu say one day people baba
back the thing say ye ko na media for bebre di ye hye enti the we nkofo di ye hye bebre no umu di hu hye omu enti umu ade no sa na amu jaye enti umu di quotation honum nungwa honum no ena umusi mimi nko ba dem na fancy ko be ma dem no ena mo be chiro statement na lady baako police
but me bow people on the live but can bend me out, okay? But I want to understand something about this whole the way NDC is
treating our people. Now, what I know ni say, say Teshi for now, per se omuchiwa. Then they will send people CID from Teshi will come for you, and then send you to Teshi. Say Nungwa police they say Chiwa. They will send CID from Nungwa will come and they come and catch you and bring you to Nungwa. So when you say people have caught you and they are moving from police station to police station, then which people have caught you? Which people? Where? Police from where? And I don't think my question I say, or somebody on the live no, I don't make me boy. Voters now, am I lying? Yeah.
It's true.
So Teshi for na person mochiwa. They will send CID from Teshi to come and catch you. So be free Nungwa. They will send someone from Nungwa to come and catch you. So now the people have come to catch you, and they are moving from police to police. Who needs a prisoner? Who needs a prisoner? Hey, NDC. Why can't we finish after 3 minutes?
Me who I don't know media no na NDC organizer of Revolta regional frame. Or frame me say almost say on farming bra crana be report me when I say then I me no the video be send me voice into me call. No so I know the me call.
Me ba. Well, maybe don't mention that because ABI it doesn't want that to be out in the public. What you say? And you skip that side. Let's not go there. Oseme nama. Do mind it. Maybe you corner do the here Osema. So 2 minutes. What do you have to say about Abronye's issue? Yeah, sorry, sir.
And see Abronye there just someone join because my own so anye bone bia waka na adwin na okan ye o enye bone na okan ye enti just someone join yes right. Government no any ye president no say baby ade no do no Ghana baby agalanse ne cocoa farmers for ne baby Ghana petrol na mutu se say petrol no this is 1 liter 17 cedis petrol 1 liter 15 cedis ade no ekwane ne me say omo ye den omo yisu na cocoa farmers for omo sika na Ghana for dika no omo ntimi tuya enti yesre say no na say focus no Ghana focus enti yen focus was ade esi wo Ghana bibia sisa mu nto ade adwuma mba bibia ye basa wo market a wo mu nto hwe enti yesre government no say bibia ade no do no omo ye bibi mfa homa ye ewo Ghana na we are intimate na Ghana ewa ho bless the essence on jaya Abronye mai ye pa no chow.
Thank you AY so much.
The voice mama nkasa kakra bi me adwuma
yeah, God girl. Yeah. Let me hear you. Oh, she has been here all through.
Yeah. I don't know what is really happening in Ghana, but Obia oye good leader biya no. You have to open yourself up for people to criticize you.
Exactement.
Na Joma makra no nka Ghana fo didie oye ye chi anka nsema ombeka akire no we kura swa.
Yo.
We swa. And then we ko kan ya musi ya chin we ko kan ya musi say. What's the meaning of that?
Putin pranyesa. Putin pranyesa.
Asem kakaka we ya bai belwe untimi nsani belwe. Udi we